Welcome to another furniture makeover. My name's Andy with Sandbanks Designs. Today I'll be giving this mid-century modern dresser a complete transformation. Stick around to the end to see the before and after pictures. So let's get started. Now let's take a look at the before and after. I was quite impressed with how this piece turned out, especially the top. I love that natural tone. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this makeover, and I'll see you again for the next project.